everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making paneer or Indian cottage cheese at home, and with that I'll be making a very yummy and tasty paneer butter masala. So for that I'm boiling 2 liters of milk. And if you're new here, welcome, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So moving on with the recipe. When the milk comes to a boil, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into it and stir it well. Take it off the heat and you can see that the milk has split. Now you can drain it using a cheesecloth or any other clean cloth. Now you need not throw this water away. You can use it to your rotis or chapatis when you're making the dough. Slowly lift it from the edges and tie a knot, and I'm placing it in a colander and I'm placing a heavy weight on top of it so that all the excess water is drained out. Now after 5 minutes, you can see that all the water has drained and our paneer is ready. So you can cut it into cubes and use it in your recipes. So now to make the paneer butter masala, into a little bit of oil, add a handful of curry leaves and 2 to 3 dry red chilies. Add 1 roughly chopped onion and add some salt. Saute it well. Add a handful of cashew nuts to it and a pinch of garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can use fresh garlic instead. Saute it well, and when the onions are soft and translucent, add 1 chopped tomato. Mix it well, and once the mixture cools down, you need to blend it in a blender. So add half a cup of water into it and blend it to a fine paste. Now in a kadai, add some butter, and to that add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Saute it on a very low heat so that it doesn't get burnt. And to this, add the mixture that we've blended. And with that, I've also added half a cup of water to reduce the thickness of it. Now mix it well and add the paneer cubes into it. Mix well and cover it and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now once it's done, you can add half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors and garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. So now our easy paneer butter masala is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Do check out my other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.